A new bat coronavirus has been discovered by researchers at the Wuhan Institute of Virology. Named HKU5-CoV-2, this virus is stirring curiosity among scientists and the public alike. But what exactly is HKU5-CoV-2, and should you be concerned? Let's break it down. HKU5-CoV-2 belongs to the myrbecovirus subgenus, the same group that includes the MERS virus, which caused outbreaks with high fatality rates in the Middle East. While this sounds alarming, scientists emphasize that HKU5-CoV-2 is not currently a threat to human health. The discovery, published in the journal Cell, is based solely on laboratory studies, with no human infections reported so far. What makes HKU5-CoV-2 particularly interesting is its ability to enter human cells. The virus can bind to human ACE2 receptors, the same receptors used by SARS-CoV-2, the virus responsible for COVID-19. This raises questions about whether HKU5-CoV-2 could one day infect humans. However, there's a crucial difference: HKU5-CoV-2 binds to human cells much less efficiently than SARS-CoV-2, making widespread infection unlikely at this stage. Still, the fact that HKU5-CoV-2 can infect small lung and gut tissues in laboratory conditions signals its potential for cross-species transmission. Scientists also found that it can bind to the cells of various mammalian species, suggesting that if it does jump to humans, it may do so through an intermediary animal host. This pathway mirrors how other coronaviruses like SARS and MERS made their way into human populations. Lead researcher Shi Zhengli, known for her extensive work on bat coronaviruses, advises caution but discourages panic. According to her team, HKU5-CoV-2 doesn't currently represent a pandemic threat. Its lower binding affinity for human ACE2 receptors reduces its ability to cause human infection. But viruses evolve, and continuous monitoring is essential. Mutations could potentially make the virus more adept at infecting humans in the future. So far, no symptoms associated with HKU5-CoV-2 have been identified, as there are no verified human cases. However, if it were to infect humans, it might cause respiratory symptoms similar to those seen in COVID-19 or MERS. These could include fever, cough, fatigue, body aches, shortness of breath, and sore throat. When it comes to transmission, two possible routes exist. The first is direct transmission from bats. People could contract the virus by coming into contact with infected bats or their bodily fluids, such as feces, urine, or saliva. The second possible route involves an intermediary host, another animal species that the virus infects before jumping to humans. This method of transmission has been observed with both SARS and MERS, making it a plausible scenario for HKU5-CoV-2 as well. Although the potential for transmission exists, HKU5-CoV-2 is currently less efficient than SARS-CoV-2 at infecting human cells. This significantly reduces the likelihood of a pandemic at present. However, as with any emerging virus, the situation requires vigilance. Continuous research and surveillance are vital, especially to track any mutations that might enhance the virus's ability to spread among humans. To stay safe, even from emerging viruses like HKU5-CoV-2, the Center for Disease Control recommends basic preventative measures. These include staying up to date on vaccinations, wearing masks when appropriate, and practicing good hand hygiene. While there is no immediate cause for concern, awareness and caution are essential. The discovery of HKU5-CoV-2 highlights the ongoing risk of zoonotic diseases, those transmitted from animals to humans. It serves as a reminder of the intricate connections between wildlife, ecosystems, and human health. Continued research is crucial not just for understanding this particular virus but for preparing for future ones. For now, HKU5-CoV-2 remains a subject of scientific interest rather than public health concern. Yet, in a world still grappling with the effects of COVID-19, discoveries like this cannot be ignored. By staying informed and prepared, we can better manage potential threats before they become global crises.